Hello friends, welcome to Investation. Previous video we have just gone through the home page of Colombo Stock Exchange, and I hope whoever has gone through the video has gained some sort of a knowledge that what we have in the website. So about understanding more on Colombo Stock Exchange, website is having wide range of data inside of it. So in order to access that, because if you take the website to access freely, you can go a limited past records only. So to access the wide range of records, you need to have a subscription. So let me show how the subscription works. So in order to register the subscription, you need to go to Investor, and in Investor you can see My CSE, and once you press the My CSE, it will take you to the page. I will show you. So if you can't go to this area, you can go down and you will see My CSE here. So just press the icon and you will direct to this page, and in the My CSE you will have all kind of details here. So there are 4 categories: free, SMS, silver, gold. There are several categories here where you have free access and you need to have subscription access to get the past number of years history. So if you take free, you have access only for these areas, wherever mentioned only the best buy, only last rate, values up to. So wherever you see these X marks, you don't have access to those details, those areas. And SMS, you have only access to get the day end SMS, so which you need to pay 100 rupees a month. And in the silver category, you need to pay 600 per month, and you have access to all except these X marks. And gold, you have all access, and that's only 1000 rupees a month. To register for the category, since I have already registered, it says change password and my it, so I logged out already. And so this is how you get in the page: sign up and sign in. So you need to go to sign up, so that they will ask basic details, and once you've given all the details, you need to submit, and it will take you to the payment page. So for an example, if you're buying anything over the online eBay or Amazon or Alibaba.com, as simple as that, you need to make the payment online and you will get the username and password verified, and you will get the subscription done. Once it's done, you need to go to the same area, sign in. Since I have already signed in, I have a subscription, my username is password there, just need to sign in, and all done set, and you can have the total wide range of data inside there. So at this video I'm just showing how to get this subscription access done, and once you're done, all set to go for the details. And let me explain how this data, like how to access this data in detail on the next video. So thanks for watching Investation.